Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date instead of the time on your Armitron Pro Sport digital watch. This is going to work for all the models that feature the 4 buttons. For example, these two right here. So on the right side we have a small ladies piece, and here we have a medium-sized, let's say unisex or maybe men's Armitron Pro Sport digital watch. So what you want to do is to press and hold the start/stop button. As long as you keep it pressed, it is going to display the date. We're also going to do this on the other model as well. So as long as I keep it pressed, it is going to display me the date. In case it doesn't work for you, make sure that you are in your main time. So what you want to do is to press the mode button, go past the alarm, past the stopwatch, past T2, and arrive on T1, so on your main display. And that is where it is going to work. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of these 4-button Armitron digital sports watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out guys. I'm pretty sure you are going to learn a lot more about your watch. And if you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. We post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials. So if you also want to check out our vintage watch collection, you can check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure to be subscribed and I will see you on the next video.